Paramahansa Yogananda taught that developing a constant awareness of God requires dedicated spiritual practice and a sincere desire to cultivate a deep relationship with the divine. How to remember God throughout the day? Paramahansa Yogananda says, because of God, everything else is. Because of Him, you exist. Because of Him, you have material abundance and conveniences and all the satisfactions that go with them. So unto God, your gratitude should be great. According to Yogananda, we must meditate on God, and when it is not possible to meditate due to any reason, we should even think of God. No matter what the situation is, we should think of God all the time. So how can we do that? I am going to explain you how you can think about God all the time in some simple steps. Here are some practical steps you can take to help you think of God all the time. Number 1. Make time for daily meditation. Yogananda emphasized the importance of daily meditation as a means of connecting with God. Make it a priority to set aside time each day to sit in silence and focus your mind on the divine. Number 2. Use affirmations and mantras. Repeat positive affirmations or mantras throughout the day to help keep your mind focused on God. For example, you could repeat a phrase such as, I am one with God, or God is always with me. Number 3. Surround yourself with reminders of God. Fill your environment with reminders of God, such as pictures of saints or spiritual teachers, religious symbols, or inspiring quotes. This can help keep your mind focused on the divine throughout the day. Number 4. Practice mindfulness. Practice being fully present in the moment and aware of your thoughts and emotions. When you notice your mind wandering, gently bring it back to thoughts of God. Number 5. Serve others. Yogananda taught that serving others is a way of serving God. By helping others and seeing the divine in them, you can cultivate a deeper awareness of God's presence in your life. Remember, developing a constant awareness of God is a lifelong process that requires dedication and effort. Be patient with yourself and trust that with practice and persistence, you can learn to think of God all the time. I hope these tips on how to think of God all the time have been helpful to you. Remember that developing a constant awareness on God takes practice and patience, but with dedication and effort, it is possible. Thank you for watching, and may you be blessed on your spiritual journey.